Welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this episode I'll be making mussels in tomato sauce and I will serve that with a nice piece of bread. Let's start cooking. I have some mussels I have started cleaning. I will finish cleaning the rest. I have onions, minced garlic, fish sauce, tomato paste, some chopped coriander, salt and pepper, and about 100 grams of butter. Alright, let me finish cleaning our mussels and then we'll start the cooking process. I'm cleaning the inside of the mussels, taking out all those bits and pieces out. So make sure you thoroughly clean the inside, and then you're going to move the rest of the meat. Okay, once the pot is hot enough, I'm going to add a bit of oil. And we're going to add our onions. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. I'm adding half of the garlic, add a little bit of that fish sauce, add some tomato paste, slowly add about half a cup of water to start with. More tomato paste. You can add the rest if you want. Okay, at this stage now I'm going to start adding our mussels. We're just going to cook our mussels on low. Salt and pepper. I'll add the rest of the garlic that I saved. I'm now going to close our pot and I'll let our mussels cook. Our mussels have been cooked. We're going to move them onto a plate. Look at that. It's yummy. With our leftover sauce, we're going to add the rest of our butter Remember the butter that I put aside from the beginning? So I'm going to add the rest of that butter into the sauce. We'll add a bit of that coriander, chopped coriander, to the sauce. Okay, so it's starting to boil now. I'm going to turn it off now. And I'm going to scoop all of that sauce on top of the mussels and then sprinkle with the rest of the coriander. Okay everyone, this is the end of our cooking today. Our mussels and tomato sauce and some garlic bread I made. So I made the bread earlier on and then I just added butter and garlic and some herbs. So we are going to have our mussels with our toasted garlic bread. The bread looks yummy. So I made this bread from using my bread maker, and then I cut it in thick slices and I made the garlic bread out of it. Okay, look at that. The thickness of the sauce is sitting nicely in the mussel with coriander sprinkled on top. Just dip the bread in the sauce. Really nice. Thank you for watching this episode and thank you for cooking with me. I'd like to give a shout out to all the subscribers and you make me want to cook more and show what I love doing, which is cooking. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and support, for viewing the videos, for sharing and for commenting. Thanks again for watching. You take care and be safe, and I will see you in the next episode. See you later. Bye for now.